Now, just a couple days ago, I made a meal where I combined some rotini macaroni with beans. And though it was a very good meal, it wasn't really rounded because it was missing all the vegetables. So what I'm going to be doing is cooking this on the stovetop with these green beans. It's going to add some more vegetables to it. And then what I'm going to do next is incorporate together. And just before serving, I'm going to put another layer of Prego traditional Italian sauce over the top of it and eat this for my lunch. And I'll show you what happens, what it looks like.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
On high. We're going to put some V8 tomato juice in it. Okay, so now it's completely defrosted and warmed up and it's time to eat. Use a spatula to get all of it. Okay, so we're finished. So here we have macaroni, or basically rotini, with green beans and the beans and rice. So we have a nice combination of protein and vegetables. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe or give us a thumbs up.